Guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Notes on Windows. So first, in your browser, head over to iCloud.com. And from this page, start by signing in to your iCloud account. So click on the sign in button. So you will be prompted to sign in with your Apple account. All you have to do is enter in your account credentials and log into your account. Next is accept terms and conditions. Click on agree. You will also be prompted to undergo the two-factor authentication, so just enter in the verification code sent to your Apple device. Next from here, we're just going to click on continue. So once you're logged into your iCloud account on Windows, you can basically enjoy features that you use on your Apple device. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see Notes or Apple Notes and start using it just by clicking on its window. So say for example, we're just going to click on Notes. We'll then be redirected to our iCloud Notes. And from here, you can basically use Notes the same as how you use it on your Apple device. You can add a new note by clicking on this icon and start by adding notes. Just type in texts. You can also do checklists. You can also do text formatting and cells, and also have access on your existing notes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!